Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning, why it is necessary to learn English language, how can you improve yourself in English language. There are so many methods, you are watching so many videos on social media, so many videos uploaded, and you are watching them, and people are guiding you in different way. So I think that you should watch different kind of videos on social media of different speakers. In this way you would come to know about different accents, because within the country there are so many English language speakers. Their accent might be a little different, and in this way when some speakers speak the English language, they are easy to understand. There are some speakers who speak fast English language, and you are feeling a difficulty while understanding them. And if you are beginner, then I think that you should listen to those speakers who speak very simple language, simple sentences and simple way, with the proper slow fluency. If you are fluent too much and you are speaking in haste, and I think that those are the newcomers, will face problems while understanding you. So I think that we are non-native. English is not our first language. We are speaking this language as a second language. We are learning this language. We are improving this language. So I think that we should speak this language with I think that slow speed. Don't make haste while speaking this language, because if you are teaching others, then it is necessary for you to speak slow, because the newcomers, the beginners, those who are learning the English language will like you, will accept your speaking when you speak slow English language. When you speak in fast way, then I think that it will be much difficult for others to understand you. So I think that if you are willing to improve English language, as I told you, listen those speakers who speak in a fair way, in a simple sentences, and also listen different speakers. Those will help you. You will get guidance from them. In this way I think that one day you will improve yourself in English language. I am hopeful that you will understand whatever I have said, and in next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.